Hi, my name is Andrew Brule, I'm the inventor of La Presse. This is La Presse right here. What La Presse allows you to do is to make a bar of soap at home without using any chemicals or heat or pollutants. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. What you do first is you start with soap flakes, which are available online.
If you've never heard of soap flakes, they are real soap, which is an oil and a fat and an alkali heated and cooled, and it's ground into a powder. And then you use this as the base of your soap, much like you use flour for the base of bread or bouillon for your base of your soup.
These are Simply Clean soap flakes, which is pure soap and glycerol. And you measure out somewhere close to a half a cup into a thing. Now at this point you can add additives. And additives like this, these are fun little sprinkles that you can put in your soap for kids. If you want an exfoliant like old coffee grounds, you can use those. I use those sometimes. And cinnamon is a very good exfoliant as well. And if you like the oatmeal, you could put oatmeal. Any kind of solid. And you put in this case, about a teaspoon of it, and you mix it up. And mix it up into the soap flakes, and then add the soap flakes to the La Presse enclosure, which I have assembled here. And add, it's about a half cup, and add to about halfway. And there will be a little marker in there. Now at this point, you need, create your liquids. Now your liquid it can be water, it can be any liquid you want, and you can also add oils at this point to the liquid and mix that up, or essential oils like this is eucalyptus. I'm just, for demonstration purposes, just going to use plain water. And at this point I'm going to put it on the floor because it allows me to use my full body weight. I think I've had children using this as well. And you add the liquid to it so that the solids are covered in the liquid, and then count to 5. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Add the plunger to the mold, and then you start to step on it. And what's happening is the liquid is being forced also into the solids and loosening up the solids, and it's also being the excess stuff is being forced up the sides and into the cavity in the plunger. And you can put your whole weight on there if you want. Now, when you come up here, you can see the liquid has collected in the center cavity, and you can get rid of that, save it if you want, if you want to use it again, and you can use it again if you like. And then you take the mold apart, slide it apart, turn it over, and push it up, and there is your soap. Take that off, and you're good to go. And so these, you can see in there the colored things inside it that we added earlier. This is fun for kids, and that's all you do. You let it dry for a day, and you've made yourself a bar of soap. Thank you.
US FDA bans things when the chemicals are either ineffective or a danger to humans. As of 2014, the EU has banned 1,300 chemicals used in soaps and cosmetics. Above is a bar of cinnamon soap I made with the imprinted letter C. If you're of a certain age, you'll remember soap on a rope. I do. I made this one, and so can you.